Start making money right here today with CPA marketing utilizing this simple strategy I'm about to show you right now in this video. If you are new to the channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out right there. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all so that you do get alerted anytime I do release some videos to help you boost your income online. You could also go on to hitting the like button to the video right there, like I said earlier. So guys, diving right ahead into the video right now, we're going to be utilizing a very cool and amazing simple CPA marketing platform like CPA Grip right now. If you don't have an account, it is quite easy to create one. Click on register. You should be brought to this page and you just need to provide your basic details on all the fields with the red asterisk signs. As you can see, the signs indicate the required field you need to fill out before an account can be created on this platform. So you can fill out your first name, your last name. You can skip out the company and website section as they do not have the red asterisk signs. You can actually go on to filling out the street address, the country right now. As you can see, focus on any country of your choice. You can actually then go on to selecting the city, the state and region, the zip code, the phone number, the Skype IM name. You can actually fill out the email address, the password, confirm that password, select the time zone, and come on to agreeing to the terms of service by checking out these boxes right now. If you want to just simply read through the terms of services by clicking, go on to clicking on this terms of service icon, and it's going to take you right there and you can read through that. Once your account has actually been created, you can then just simply click on login. So now guys, once you're logged into your account, you should be brought to a page right here that will look similar to this. And to all, if you're not brought to this page, you want to come onto the page by coming on to clicking on the offer tools option. If you click on that, click on my offers, and you can then be brought to this page right here. You can filter your offers to any country of your choice, and you can actually then go on to selecting any cool offer available to you. As you can see, there are a lot of cool sweepstake offer. This is actually an offer that gives out $100 or $1,000 towards iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is a very cool offer, and it's for people in the United States that uses Apple iOS devices. All they need to do is to submit their email address or zip code. Right now guys, you could just simply see that this is your unique affiliate link which you could use to promote the offer, and this is the payout which you do get from the offer, which is $2.22. All you need to do is to copy the link to the offer, create any landing page using any landing page builder site of your choice. You can check out some cool tutorial videos I have for you on my channel that shows you how to easily create a landing page. And you could just simply head onto my channel, click on this search icon, and you just want to come right here and type in landing page. If you do go on to type in a landing page right now and click on enter, it's actually going to show you the tutorial videos for you. This shows you how to create a landing page with the breezy.io. This is with systemy.io. This is with Google Sites, and you can even see the ones with Webflow right now. So these are all cool landing page tutorial videos that shows you how to create a high converting landing page to your CPA marketing offers. So once you actually do that right now, you can actually then go on to linking the landing page to your CPA marketing offer, then go on to promoting that with a very cool platform called the pushground.com. So this is an amazing platform that you can gain access to and utilize the push notification ads right here. As you can see, you can utilize that to get better conversions. You can skyrocket your online sales with high quality push notifications, in-page push, and pop ad traffics. So what you need to do is to sign up to the platform. You can sign up for free. You don't need any credit card details to sign up to the platform. Once you do sign up, you should be brought to a page such as this. You can add funds to your account right here by actually clicking on add funds right now, or you can actually then go on to start creating your campaign after adding funds to your account. You could click on create campaign right here, or you could come onto this section right here, click on create campaign. They are both actually going to lead you to the same place. So if you do click on create campaign right now, it's going to take you to the page right here such as this, where you want to just simply provide your campaign names. I'm just going to select something like CPA offer, and right now you want to paste in the link to your CPA marketing offer or your landing page. You can then just simply go into inserting labels. You can select the category of the offer. I'm going to select sweepstake because that's actually the category. You want to leave the traffic type on mainstream. You want to just simply turn on the classic push notification because I do prefer that to the in-page push or the pop ads. Right now you want to select the country that you're actually targeting right now. So if I do come right here and target the United Kingdom, because that's where that's the country where the offer is available to. You can actually go on to selecting the network type or the devices right now. I'm going to select both the desktop and actually smartphones right now. So once I've selected that, you can come right here to the OS and select the OS as Mac OS, because that offer is only an Apple iOS offer. So moving on further, guys, you can actually keep on scrolling through until you could get to this bid section. This is the amount which you're actually going to be paying per click to this offer. So you can actually insert that right there that is suitable to you right now. So you can see the recommended and the minimum bid. You could also go into inserting how much you want your to spend on ads each and every single day. As you can see, the minimum amount which you can put is $20, and you can see right now, because this is a new account, I have $0 on the account, and you can see you do not have enough to set up the daily budget right here. But you can click on add funds to add funds. You can actually then go on to checking out or editing your creatives, which you can just simply do right now. To actually go on to editing your creatives, you need a title, a description, and an icon. So I'm just going to put in one right now. So you can see right here, I've actually inserted all this, and all this were actually obtained from that CPA marketing offer which we're actually promoting right there. As you can see right now, you need to actually go on to grabbing the image right there from the CPA grip by just simply right clicking on the image, click on save image as, and just simply download the image on your device. Head back to that platform. You can delete the image. You can come right here, click on this, actually go on to inserting the image right now. As you can see, I'm actually going to go on to inserting that image, but you can see right here it says the file is too big. The maximum size is 500 KB, so utilize a cool image right there instead of that right now. So I'm just going to utilize another image right there, and if I do utilize that, you can actually go on to creating more creatives right there by clicking on add version. Right now, guys, you could go on to editing the version of this creative. For each creative, you want to make sure you're using a different text combination, a different description, and also a different icon right here. So use at least 4 creatives right now, and once you actually do go on to doing that right there, you'll be able to see your campaign summary right here in this section. Once you're done, just simply go on to publishing your campaign, and you can actually start getting your offers to a lot of audience right now, a lot of individuals, and you can start making money with this simple strategy. So this is a very cool strategy I do advise you take advantage of and start making a lot of money online. So that's it for now. If the video added some value, hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.